I'm back with a Minecraft meme. And by the way, today I'm wearing my Minecraft sweaty and my Minecraft, can you see it? Minecraft sweaty. You can barely see it, but I have a Minecraft sweaty, a Minecraft pack lunch, and a Minecraft t-shirt, and of course a Minecraft jacket. Everything for me is Minecraft. So today I planned is a Minecraft meme. Maybe I should defeat the enderdragon. Get this wood. Wait, that's not wood. That's a sheep. This is wood. Okay, now for wood crafting table, and I have my wooden pickaxe, my sword, and my axe. Okay, let's see. Where is some cobblestone? That's iron. I can't afford iron yet. Here's some cobblestone. Great! Let's go some cobblestone. Okay, I found this smithing table nowhere. So I'll put this then one stone in a stone pickaxe, a stone axe, a stone sword. Okay, now what's next? Okay, iron. I think I just passed that. Iron here. This at least has to be 20 or 21. Only 16, but I think that's enough. And I'll put my furnace down with the coal, not the iron, and while I wait, maybe I should kill some creepers. Oh, creeper here. Maybe I can get some gunpowder. Ooh, creeper. Oof. Bruh. Okay, creeper. Next creeper. Yes, I got enough stuck gunpowder somehow. My sword has looting 5. It doubles the loot that it drops. And I always get a stick. Now I need to get stick seared. Pickaxe time! Wait, I can just use my bare hands. Okay, now make some TNT. I have my foot in steel. Let's go mining with the TNT. Run away! Boosh! Ooh, some more iron. Thank you. Now put it in the furnace. Okay, now I got my iron gear. It's all prepared. Oh, the iron gear with my upgraded armor. Now I'm gonna get some diamonds. I should throw away these stone tools because I don't need them. Now, time to explode. Boosh! Let me eat a notch apple that I found in the Minecraft chest. Hey, delicious! Now I survived. Skeleton, not today, thank you. Okay, the skeleton died. Now I'm mining this obsidian with my diamond pickaxe. I have diamond gear too. I speed it up. Okay, now made another portal. Tick, 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 tick. Jumbo burger! Another. Maybe I can make a netherite upgrade with all the gold I have left over. Let's see what can I do in the nether. Okay. Ooh, some netherite. Thank you. I'm taking that with my diamond pickaxe. You can't mine it with an iron pickaxe because netherite is a bit too strong for an iron pickaxe. You need a diamond or a netherite pickaxe. I suggest over obsidian mining level. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? And I only have 8, so I can upgrade my sword, my pickaxe, my axe, and my armor. Now, right over, let's go! Now, and the pearls and blaze rods. At least I spawned next near Nether Fortress, so I can just jump there. Okay, we're at the Nether Fortress. Let's get to the blazes. Ha! What hit? 2 hits, I mean. Whew. I almost got 10 T-strings. 10 T-strings ain't enough. I mean, these ones. Okay, now let's craft some of the ender pearls I have left over. Eyes of Ender! Let's go back into the portal. Back in the overworld, maybe I should grab on some veggies. Ooh, a village. Okay, let me eat this potato. My hunger's a bit low. Nice! Now for luck. Now I have Ender. It's here. Let's head in this direction. Okay. A few hours later, I am here. Let's fill in the eyes of Ender to the end portal frames and let's go. Whee! Okay, come here, my enderdragon. Yeah. Let's go! I defeated the game. If you want to see more, subscribe and bye.